Hello and welcome to my channel. These are the pico trackers. This is the box. Here's the barcodes. Back of the box. It's kind of plain. So let's get in it. Alright, so you know, the plastic thing. This is the presentation of it. Secure it to your legs. Do not cover the tracker with your clothing. There's the two little things. They just attach to your feet or whatever. Fabric feels kind of nice. Doesn't feel cheap. Trackers themselves. I need a booklet. So it kind of shows you how to use it. Maybe this one's in English. This is just safety information. And the other one's a user guide on how to use it. And it's not very important to know. They're just little pucks. They come with like a cellophane around it. Or whatever. Barcode to the app. There's the Bocono Pico logo. The button to pair it. Then a Type-C to charge it. Pretty cool. Alright, that's the unboxing of the pico trackers. Yeah. Thanks for watching.